I got some wafer locks here. I got a Reese slaymaker. That is a Chicago. It's another slaymaker and another slaymaker. All these are wafers, and I'm gonna try to get them. They're all locked together. Let's see if I can get them all picked here. Usually wafers ain't too hard, but let's see, one down. That was a slaymaker. Here's another slaymaker. Usually not too difficult, but these was pretty dirty when I got them. I oiled them down and oops. The other one. That was the other slaymaker. We'll do the Chicago. And get it in there. Some of these was, well, can't hold on to it. I got oil on them and I can't hold on to nothing. Some of these was a little hard because it was about half broke. So it's got a lot of slack in there. I don't think this was the broke one. Come on. Well, may have been one of the broke ones. No, there on it. is hung up. Didn't want to open. But that one was one of the broke ones here. Had a lot of slack in it. Ah, did I lose it? Nope. I kept it. Alright, this is the broke one, so this is the one that gave me some trouble. So we'll see if we can get it. As you can see, that wafer in here is dropped way down. That core is bad loose. This one here has seen better days. But I like to pick those because you never know what kind of lock you come across. Sometimes these like that are more fun to pick because they're not going to act like a normal lock would. They're going to do something different. And you got to adjust to it. But I got it open. And it's stuck. I have to work on that. But there's 5 Slaymakers, Reese, Chicago. Thanks for watching. Y'all be legal and God bless.